If you've used traditional spreadsheets before, everything we've covered should be pretty familiar. So now let's get into what makes Airtable so powerful, and that's Airtable field types. So let's check out an example base here just to start to illustrate the power of Airtable fields. So here I've set up a base called Whalesync CRM. It's meant to mimic something like Salesforce or HubSpot. But the basics of it, we've got contacts, companies, and this is full of contacts or people that a sales rep might reach out to. And so very quickly, you can start to see some basic fields, things like single line text fields for name or single line text fields for title. But you can also start to see some of the more powerful things like single select fields. So here you can select from a dropdown or email, even linked records, or if we go all the way to the right, something like a button that can send an email. So this is the power of Airtable field types. The way you work with them is scroll all the way to the right of your table and hit plus. And what you'll notice is that Airtable has a ton of different field types options, which are great. And if you hover over them, it'll start to tell you a little bit about it and explain it. For now, let's talk about a couple common ones just so you get a sense of it. We can do checkboxes, right? To mark, let's say, have I reached out to someone or not. We can do things like ratings. So you might say, this is a contact I really want to reach out to, 5 stars versus, let's say, someone that's lower on our list. And we can even do some auto-calculated things like, let's take last modified time, right? So Airtable will automatically calculate the last time that someone updated a record and update the time here. And this is all dynamic and live. So if I change this name over here to Matthew 2, right? This field will update immediately. So those are some of the basic field types. In the next lessons, what we'll do is go into detail with some of the most powerful ones, things like formulas and linked records. But for now, hopefully you have a sense of how this all works and how you can take your spreadsheet data to the next level.